The best materials for your bathtub shower combo. When it comes to renovating your bathroom, choosing the best materials for your bathtub shower combo can be a daunting task. The best materials for your bathtub shower combo are acrylic for affordability and ease of maintenance, porcelain-enameled steel for durability, and tile for luxury. Each offers a unique balance of aesthetics, longevity, and practicality to suit different preferences and needs. With a myriad of options available, it's crucial to find a balance between aesthetics, durability, and practicality. Using the information given by a shower remodel expert, let's explore the best materials for your bathtub shower combo, providing insights into each option's benefits and considerations. What is a bathtub shower combo? A bathtub shower combo is a bathroom fixture that integrates both a bathtub and a shower into one convenient unit. This design allows for the flexibility of choosing between a quick, refreshing shower or a relaxing bath, depending on the user's preference or time constraints. It's an ideal solution for smaller bathrooms where space is limited, as it efficiently combines two essential functions into a single area. This type of combo typically consists of a bathtub with shower fixtures mounted above. It often includes a shower curtain or glass partition to prevent water from splashing out during a shower. Bathtub shower combos are popular in residential homes, apartments, and even in some hotels, offering a practical and versatile option for bathing and showering in a compact space. Best material options for bathtub shower combos. Acrylic, affordable and versatile. Acrylic is a popular choice for bathtub shower combos due to its affordability, lightweight nature, and ease of maintenance. It's resistant to cracking and chipping, making it a durable option for busy households. However, it's less resistant to scratches and requires careful cleaning to maintain its shine. Fiberglass, cost-effective and easy to install. Fiberglass, made from reinforced plastic, is another cost-effective material. It's known for its quick and easy installation process. While it is less durable than other materials and prone to fading over time, it's a good choice for those on a tight budget. Porcelain-enameled steel, classic and sturdy. Porcelain-enameled steel combines the strength of steel with a porcelain coating, offering a classic high-gloss finish. This material is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to most chemicals. However, it can be heavy and may require reinforced flooring. Tile, luxurious and unique. Shower tiles such as porcelain, ceramic, and marble bring luxury and uniqueness to your bathroom. Each piece is distinct, adding a touch of elegance. While stunning, natural stone requires regular maintenance and can be expensive. Solid surface, customizable and seamless. Solid surface materials offer customization in design and color. They are non-porous, making them resistant to stains and mildew. These materials provide a seamless look, ideal for modern bathrooms, but can be on the pricier side. Cast iron, timeless and durable. Cast iron tubs, coated with enamel, are known for their longevity and timeless appeal. They retain heat well, making for comfortable baths, but they are heavy and may need extra floor support. Ceramic tile, versatile and stylish. Ceramic tile allows for endless design possibilities. It's durable and easy to clean, though grout lines may require maintenance. Ceramic tile can be slippery, so choosing a textured finish for safety is important. Tempered glass, modern and sleek. Tempered glass offers a contemporary look and is often used in shower enclosures. It's strong and shatter-resistant, but it requires regular cleaning to avoid water spots. Factors to consider when choosing materials. When selecting materials for a bathtub shower combo, several key factors should be considered to ensure that you make a choice that not only looks good, but also functions well and stands the test of time. Here are the main factors to keep in mind. Durability. The material should be able to withstand frequent use and the wear and tear that comes with it. It's important to choose a material that is resistant to cracking, chipping, and fading over time. Maintenance and cleaning. Some materials are easier to clean and maintain than others. Consider how much time and effort you are willing to put into cleaning and whether the material requires special cleaning agents. Resistance to mold and mildew. In the moist environment of a bathroom, materials should be resistant to mold and mildew. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy and hygienic space. Aesthetics. The material should complement the overall design and color scheme of your bathroom. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a more traditional, classic style, the material should align with your aesthetic preferences. Comfort and safety. Consider the texture and temperature of the material. Some materials feel warmer to the touch, and some might be more slip-resistant, which is an important safety aspect in a bathtub-shower combo. Cost. Materials vary widely in price. Determine your budget beforehand and consider the cost not only of the material itself, but also of installation and potential future repairs. Environmental impact. If sustainability is a concern for you, look into the environmental impact of the material, including how it is sourced and its recyclability. Installation requirements. Some materials may require professional installation, which can add to the overall cost and timeline of your bathroom renovation. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose a material for your bathtub-shower combo that meets your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and long-lasting bathroom fixture. Concluding remarks on the best materials for your bathtub-shower combo. Selecting the right material for your bathtub-shower combo is essential for balancing durability, style, and practicality. Whether you prefer the affordability of acrylic, the classic durability of porcelain-enameled steel, or the luxurious appeal of natural stone, each material offers distinct advantages to meet diverse needs and preferences in bathroom design.